Good morning, guys. All right, so this morning I'm doing my final pulled pork test, and you're going to be a part of this. I wasn't even planning on filming today, but this is something I want to include you in on. I'm doing a competition in June. I'm going to Lenexa, Kansas City, for a big barbecue competition. A team invited me to do their pulled pork. So I've been practicing every so many months. I've been doing a pulled pork to see how it goes. Today's the final test. I'm going to rub the meat down. We're going to cook it at 225. I'm going to time how much it is, to cook. This is like if I were competing. But we are also doing a product review. Now, one of the most exciting things I've done on the show this year is this little device. When I showed you this, I didn't know if it worked. I didn't know how it was. It's amazing, and it's by Amazing Smoking Products. It's called the Smoking Tube. If you haven't seen it work, you're going to see it work today. This is unbelievable. You can turn a gas grill into a smoker. You can add more smoke onto your smoker, which I've done both of those. This works flawlessly. This puts more smoke into my meat than I've ever done in my life. All right, but we're going up a step. Come on in close and let me show you everything I got here. Now this smoking tube only goes for about 2.5 hours to 3 hours for me, max, and then the whole thing burns out. You fill it with wood pellets. So, my pulled pork, the big pulled pork that I just bought, is going to be about 10 hours, I'm guessing. So I need more than this. Well, guess what? That's right, today we're trying the big Mama Jamma Amazing Smoking Products. Watch this. I know it's going to blow your mind because it blew my mind. I didn't even know it existed till I was just cruising around Amazon. They showed me a bigger version of this. Look at this. This is a kind of a snake system. This will go up, they say 15 hours. I'm guessing realistically 12 hours. This will smoke the heck out of your meat. Unbelievable. Look at that. I'm going to score the fat side. Not a lot of fat on this side. I kind of like a little bit more than that, but it's good. I'll take what I get. Not going to be greedy. Got my secret rub. Secret rub. This is what I'm using for the competition. And I'm only cooking at 225, not 250. So it's going to be awesome. That's what we're cooking at the competition. I already called and asked. And they're going to have the smoker at 225. They're doing other things, ribs and I don't know if it's chicken. I don't know what the competition categories are. I just know that I'm doing the pulled pork. All right, here it is. I believe that's like an 8-pound pulled pork. This is what the smoker maze looks like. Thank you, Inkbird, for that thermometer. And that's the best value so far on the show for a wireless thermometer. I can go all over the house, and it tells me on the app when my meat is done. Let's just get it started. There we go. Got a nice flame. You have to light this really good, by the way, guys. I'm just telling you, most time when I light it, I got to come out and check it. And sometimes I have to relight it a second time. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I will see you guys in a whole bunch of hours. So we're at 195 right now. Let's take a peek here. Oh, look how beautiful she is. You ready? We're going to pick her up. That only lasted, I'm going to tell you guys right now, that is not 15 hours. That lasted 7. It's still good. It's still I'm going to keep it and use it all the time. But the packaging is way off. I had it filled, packed real well, and it only lasted about 7 hours. So don't move this because you'll get ash all over your meat, okay? Don't touch this or pull it out away in the opposite direction of your meat. If it's a windy day, don't even open this yet. All right, guys, that's gonna blow all over your meat. If you just gotta be careful. Beautiful, gorgeous hunk of love here. Look at that. Look at her. Wow. But just give you an idea of what it looks like. Let's come over here. Ready? Look at that. Beautiful. Isn't she beautiful? So what you guys don't see is my family's here. Everybody's here to partake in this beautiful pulled pork. And they're literally waiting for me to finish this video so we can all sit down and eat. So I'm just going to try a piece right now. That's a big piece. All right, I'll set that down. I'm going to do a little piece. Okay, it literally falls apart, guys. You pull it apart with your fingers. It's perfectly cooked, perfectly smoked, perfectly sweet on the outside. It's got the grounds on the outside. It's got the paprika smoke flavor on the outside. Oh, boy, I could just sit here and eat in front of you for like an hour, but I'm not going to. So there it is. And I will be taking you guys live to the competition in June. You'll be right there with me. I'll be doing Facebook Live. So be sure to sign up for my Facebook show page. Oh my gosh. And what else? And I'll have a video on the event. It's going to be awesome. If you're in Kansas, Lenexa, just meet me out there. I'll see you guys later. I got to go. It's dinner time.